Welcome back. South Asia Foundation has launched a microfinance initiative with an aim to provide financial support to the Goan artisans. The foundation will assist the artisans to avail loans and develop their business under the scheme. The scheme was launched by the Governor of Chhattisgarh, Shekhar Dutt.
During the launch function at Kala Academy, Governor of Chhattisgarh, Shekhar Dutt felicitated bamboo artisans and other artists of Goa. An artisan credit card was also launched. Governor of Chhattisgarh said that new age technology should be used to provide maximum exposure and better business opportunity. Shekhar Dutt also said that artisans should focus to establish its own brand.
From amongst the artists, you have to make, just like the self-help group for procurement of raw materials, self-help group for at the marketing end. And the moment that is done, you will find that the margins each one of them would have will be more. That would be successful.
In the first phase, 2,500 registered artisans of North Goa will be benefited by the scheme. General Manager of NABARD Goa, B.B. Sethi, said that NABARD is focusing upon uplifting the self-help groups of artisans.
And so far in Goa, around 9,000 SHG are developed by NABARD and promoted by NABARD through different banks, and out of 9,000, around 5,000 are credit linked. So this year target of Goa is around 500 SHGs, women SHG, and credit linked should be 250.
With video journalist Chetan Gawas, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Caculo College from Mapusa and P.C.C.E. from Verna won the men's and women's intercollegiate badminton tournament on Saturday. Caculo defeated Salgaonkar Law College while P.C.C.E. beat Damodar College in the finals. The tournament was organized by Goa University at the Kampal Indoor Stadium. If you missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
Tumi Purita Prudent. You're watching Prudent.